Gavana wa Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki aritie hindi igongona ria kwihitithia maabitha nene a county cikaro-ini nene cia gavana.
Faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the governor of...
Muthomi okiriire utongoria wa kiama kia Azimio uria urabanga mirurungano ukiregana na mubango wa guthuthurio kwa makomishona na IEBC aria mareganire na maimirira ma githurano kihituku.
They had their own motive, they had their own things, they know what they wanted. Now, can those four be trusted with heading IEBC? It is not possible. So the due process of the law should be followed. Parliament has done its work. The Jailak has done a beautiful job.
Kuringana na gavana mwaho wa Azimio ni uremetwo ni kuruta wira wao wa mung'ethaniro na riu wigetete kuhingisha mirutire ya wira ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
I want to tell them they will go on with their demonstration with the hired goons na kazi bado itakuwa inaendelea. Kama Cherera 4 are supposed to go home, they will still go, whether they demonstrate or not.
Gavana augete ya Kenya marina mathina matiganite maria marenda mabe mateithurwo na matingikorwo na ihinda ria kunyita itemi mubango-ini ta ucio wa mirurungano.
There will be no Kenyans who will be going out on the streets unless they are forced to go and demonstrate over nothing. If they never demonstrated the time that we had the results, Kenyans will not demonstrate now. Right now, they are focused on how they can be able to ensure that this drought that has ravaged the country can be dealt with.
Thutha wa kwihitithia maabitha nene ya county, Gavana Muthomi Njuki erire aikari a county ino riu wira ni ukurutika kuringanira na ciiraniro iria eraniire. Handu-ini ha iNooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jehia.
In the office of the Chief Officer of Tharaka Nithi.